On November 13, 1973, the world welcomed the arrival of a cute baby girl who would be named Ifeoma through her parents, late Mr. Innocent Okpara Onawa and late Mrs. Louisa Okpara Onawa of Umezenyi, Ihitenansa, Osu local government area of Imo State, Nigeria. Ifeoma means good thing, beautiful thing, nice thing, or something of great value. True to her name, Ifeoma grew up to become someone of great value to her parents, family, society, Alibo, the nation, and the world in general. She is so brilliant and intelligent in learning, decent and moral in character, and elegant in beauty. She had her primary school at St. Peter's Primary School, Benin City, secondary school at Awo Girls Secondary School, Imo State. The young Ifeoma later gained admission into the prestigious Nnamdi Azikiwe University, UNIZIK, Awka, where she read BSc Mass Communication, and later to Imo State University for her master's degree in the same course. As she distinguished herself in character and learning and quality upbringing, coupled with her enthralling beauty, men saw her as a virtuous woman lining up as suitors for the jewel of sorts. As God will have it, the invaluable treasure went to Mr. Sylvester Nwadike, and they are blessed with 3 lovely children: Chisom Nwadike, Chiemerie Nwadike, Mkporoma Alibo Buruburu, and Chimeremeze Nwadike. This towering Amazon saw the need to further her education, and that would necessitate her traveling to the United States of America, where she bagged another master's degree in social work. However, before leaving the shores of Nigeria, this great Igbo Amazon, Adukwu Igbo Jiemono, felt called to trigger a renaissance among Igbo women in order to restore their values and rules to their respective households and make meaningful contributions to the society, as was the case in the ancient and pre-colonial Igbo land. To that effect, she floated a platform, an NGO which she called Ladies of Virtue and Integrity. And while in America, she started another one she called Ogbako Mwanyi Igbo Worldwide. With these organizations, this great icon has reached and mobilized a great number of Igbo women all over the world to re-embrace the cultural values and ideals of Ndi Igbo, especially as regards their roles and contributions to Ala Igbo.
EziAda Ifeoma, the founder and president of Okpara Worldwide.
On the 13th of November 2023, this great lioness will mark her golden age. Indeed, it has been 50 years of great success, positive impacts, and service to God and humanity. As the jewel celebrates Ogbako Igbo Worldwide, Igbo Global Network, Ladies of Virtue and Integrity NGO, and Ndi Igbo Worldwide join her family to celebrate her. As she enters a golden age, she has entered another phase of service to God, the nation, and the humanity. It shall be more years of fruitful impacts. Happy birthday, Adukwu Igbo, the jewel from Igbo land and the great Amazon east of the Niger. Happy birthday, founder and President General Ogbako Igbo Worldwide. Happy birthday, EziAda Ifeoma Nwadike. To God be all the glory forever and ever. Amen.